Hello, welcome to my channel Creativity Bay. My name is Payal and I am an artist. I like to create art using a step-by-step process. This makes the process simple and easy to understand. My artwork is meant for any age group who loves to paint. For today's tutorial, I have created this artwork using a mix of dark and light colors for the background and black for cactus and foreground. Using this transition of colors, I have tried to simplify this painting and yet maintain the vibrancy using the mix of warm and cool colors. In this painting, I have used acrylic paint, but it's your choice if you want to use oil paint or watercolor. Hope you will give this a try. Thank you. So those are all my steps to creating this landscape. I hope you enjoyed this with me. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. To watch more videos like this one, please consider subscribing. That way you will get a notification anytime new videos like this come out. Thank you and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.